I want that girl. Good morning, everybody. I ain't no Marlo Thomas, but it is, what is today? Thursday. Yeah, happy Thursday. The 24th of September, 2020. And welcome to all of you. As you'll hear in the background, the noise level is at its usual peak here on the Rancho. There's leaf blowers running around, people getting their yard work done. If it's not car horns going off and motorcycles screaming down the street, it's always something. Anyway, you don't care about that. We're talking about package thieves today. And it's really something that plagues a lot of places, and it's something that I've been rather fortunate that I haven't experienced too much. But I got hit by a package thief while I was away. Now, I need to thank Bobby, because Bobby had come over and picked up my mail for me and things, but you can't ask somebody to come over every single day and do that. And recently, you guys that have been on my metal detecting videos know that I lost the, you put your arm through a little cup thing and that helps give you balance, hooked to your detector. Well, that had broken, and I ordered a new cuff piece to install on the metal detector, and it was delivered on the 19th of September. And I came home, and lo and behold, I expected to see it inside with the other mail, but nowhere to be found. And I knew immediately that I've been hit with one of the package thieves, which is not unusual considering the neighborhood here and all that, but it sucks nonetheless to lose a package to package thieves. Let me know in the comments section down below if it's ever happened to you, and how sucky does it feel, because I got to end up now ordering another $33 cup that mounts on, and it really sucks. But the good news is I'm home back on the Rancho. We got a hot weekend coming up, gonna have some fun activities for you guys. We'll check in on the garden, which survived my absence here, and other cool stuff coming up. Thumbs up or appreciate it. Let me know if you've ever been hit by a package thief. I think I'm going to start using a drop box, I think, for Amazon Locker when I get my stuff, right? Probably the smart thing to do. Luckily, it wasn't something really expensive. Thumbs up or appreciate it. Let me know down below, and have a great Thursday, everybody.